Good morning everyone. In this slide we will see about outpatients. So outpatient is the patient not occupy the bed in the hospital, in clinical healthcare or other place. Outpatient load in three category like emergency, tertiary and primary. So emergency means a person is emergency or accident care for the condition which require immediate medical attention, like any accident or any trauma case which is like to emergency medication. And suffering from serious health condition or illness, it will call emergency. Again, tertiary case, he is directly to the outpatient department by attending medical practitioner for the specific treatment other than emergency treatment. So tertiary care means anything other than emergency care. So like regular patient visiting outpatient, it will be called tertiary care. So primary care is the majority care. It is describe the range of service educated for meeting. Most primary care are used by patient who are ambulatory or able to move about the freely. So any ambulatory patient or walkable patient, they will go to primary care section. So location of the outpatient dispensing, it should be located at the ground floor of the building, so where the medicine can be given easily to the patient. The outpatient dispensing area should be provided with the proper sitting arrangement, so there should be proper sitting arrangement. The pharmacy receives in supplies from the medical store weekly, but emergency supply can be obtained at any time. So this is the small layout of the OPD outpatient department, where the outpatient pharmacy outlet is there, rack, storing, refrigerator, dispensing area, window for separate dispensary and sitting area. This is the layout for outpatient pharmacist, OPD pharmacy. So how the pharmacist activity can be done in outpatient activity charge. Doctor write a prescription received by pharmacist, filling the prescription and dispensing of the patient. Prescribe fill whether regular prescription fill or narcotic. If narcotic drug is there, then this should be separately enter into separate register. So prescription again once the dispensing of the patient, then prescribed payment amount will be collected by the pharmacist, whether it will be received cash, change, it will be payment of receipt can be online, cash, or if any changes is there, then it will be given. Then last is statistics and report, they will update the indent. So drug distribution to the outpatient, no medication should be issued without prescription. It's a highly recommended, so without prescription should not issue any medicine. After the issue has been made, a quantile supplement must be recorded. Once you are issue or you are delivery the quantity, that should be recorded. Medicine are given to the outpatient from the pharmacy situated in the outpatient block. So usually outpatient block having pharmacy, from there they will give the medicine. So thank you. This all about outpatient dispensing service.